Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back, students of Standard First. We are here with our book number 2, Mathematics portion. In our next lecture, we'll study something about weight. Usually, whenever we go to a shop to get some rice, sugar, or some fruit, some vegetable, usually you have seen that this type of balance, or nowadays we have digital balances. So with that balance we get the quantity required for us. So here in these pictures, this is called a balance. So the pan of the balance, which is lower, depicts that the item is heavy, and which is on the upper sides depicts that the item is light. This is a pumpkin. A pumpkin, P-U-M-P, pump, K-I-N, pumpkin is H-E-A-V-Y, heavy. The pumpkin is heavy, that means its weight is more. And orange is light. Light here refers to lesser in weight. We can see that in this picture the pans are at the same height from the ground level. Check the height, they are at the same height. If they are at the same height, means that this and this are of same weight. The apple and the mango are of same weight. Apple and mango, they both have the same weight. This is read as weight, W-E-I, weigh, G-H-T, weight. This G-H is silent over here, weight. So we can say that a pumpkin is heavier than an orange, or orange is lighter than pumpkin. Orange is lighter than pumpkin. And an apple and a mango weigh the same. They have the same weight. Note, the heavier side moves down. Whatever I have said already, the heavier side, it moves down. Now let us see in the exercise. We have to write H for heavy and L for light objects. So out of these two, this one is moving down, this one is moving up. Which one is heavy and which one is light? Yes, this one is heavy. So we write here H, and this one is light. Out of these two, this one is light, this one is heavy. Similarly, you can do, this is up, so this is light, this is down, this is heavy. These two are at the same height. So what we will say, we will not write anything, we will write same for both of these. Same and same. Then we have, this is below, so this is heavy, this is light. Again these two are equal, so we will write same and same. In the next lecture, again we have to write heavy and light. Out of these two, which is heavy, which is light? This is heavy, this is light. Peacock and parrot, light, heavy, heavy, light, light, heavy, light, heavy, heavy, light. So with this I finish. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.